Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day so far. My name is Amber Potts. I am currently in Garden City, Kansas. Live here with my husband, Andy, and our two daughters, Allison and Adeline. They are fraternal twins. We welcomed into the family last April, and so kind of crazy to think that I have 1-year-olds running around and not just one of them, but two. But my days stay pretty busy chasing them around and learning about their world with them. When I am not taking care of them, my hobbies include hiking, camping, backpacking, reading. The picture at the top of me holding the 5 is my husband and I climbed our 5th 14er a few years ago. So at the top, I always take a picture with whatever number we're on. And so that was a fun camping, backpacking trip, crossing that one off the list. A little bit about my background professionally. I have a bachelor's degree in microbiology from Colorado State University. And out of college, I started working in an environmental toxicology lab testing water quality. And I did that for about 5 years, 6 years. And then my husband and I decided we wanted to make career changes. And we made those changes into education. And I completed the Transition to Teach program through Fort Hays 3 years ago now. And currently work at Horace Good Middle School here in Garden City. I teach 7th grade science, and this coming year will be the new yearbook coordinator. I'm pretty excited about that. This upcoming school year will be my 6th year in education. So I'm looking forward to that. As far as my short-term goals, I'd like to finish up this master's. I have 2 classes left for the fall semester, and then I'll be done. I'd like to continue serving on the district leadership team / curriculum committee. I've been on that council committee for the last 4 years and gained a wealth of knowledge through it. And I'd like to become more involved in my building. Long-term goals, kind of see myself going lots of different directions, and I'm not quite sure which one I'll end up with quite yet. My content area is lacking in a curriculum right now, and so I kind of see myself potentially getting into like a director of curriculum and instruction role. Technology integrationist, it's another piece that I really enjoy incorporating in my room is technology. And then maybe a long time down the road, possibly administration. From this class, I hope to develop a better understanding of how to develop and integrate curriculum, since that's something I think that's going to become very relevant to me in the coming school year. And then how to assess curricula as well as instruction. And then I would love to take any knowledge that I gain and be able to be a resource for my peers. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to getting to know everyone and working with you over this summer course.